I'm sure that's why of course, I mean, it's international relations, so naturally the names of the individuals involved will not be published.
It will not be published.
Sometimes, even if it's published in a document, it is redacted. Because
SOMPA.
they feel say, "Ibia, Emra we I need you American or Bagana ha." The
charges that were brought against conspiracy to violate the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act. Act America.
Exactly.
Violating the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act. And the conspiracy to commit money laundering. Allegedly, no. Sikano ekwan omode fa so obode ba o man mu Ghana high na enye kwan paso e na omode scanner e baaye na jury no etna say Thursday August 6th 2026 following a 9-day trial before US court US district judge B na wo mu wie ye no e no mu hu say owura beku Ora Berkun we 52 years. Aye count now with the board charges now with the board no. Odi ni nyina ho for. And he faces up to 30 years in prison when sentenced. And you know, one sentences it is set for November 10th and ebeshe ase. November 10th and ebeshe ase. But the do that trim.
SOMPA.
Or that trim. Na media baby enkomo no Nakakane officials be Ghana high. It is our officials, no. Sikebi ababe cancer. And no na some say I know. Because your boy energy minister D $1 million. Former energy minister, I mean that say. Dr. Kwabradongo. And no me tell you network this was say, and I'm okay. Insan case kebia sir ukai Katie Amon sir na
chair, he was the chair.
It was the chair of
the chair of the
energy committee.
Now he's a lawyer for
and I said
someone who
and you
and I said we are about bomb me and say poor.
So when came to judge, I think there's one misconception out there that nobody has been named in the ruling. Now that's what has happened.
But positions have been named.
Exactly.
And we know who occupied those positions when they were in government.
That's the first error.
Sure.
Charges now can last one idea. Conspiracy to commit
money laundering. Yeah.
Money laundering said it here. So that you want from him. If not, I would have explained further. Quite for directly
at the bar.
They will not trigger any security alert and all those kind of things. So he's a representative of the bank that is facilitating one of the energy near her quite doom sometimes say Sabeka. Let me walk join the room. So the wiring went through his account.
And then it's stated here.
Now the subsequent accounts that should be credited to establish some money laundering and now bribery are yet to be named. In the case of the minister, for instance, or even the members of the parliament on the committee, 46,000. The trail will go on account. The subsequent accounts that received those monies on the committee have not been named. Bet me up and say, you need cash, not the quack of Mamo. And also proving that in court is extremely difficult. I don't say anyway. So Ukuku $10,000, but man, me committee member in parliament. Say me na me pass it. You say be anko for benya deal with. If you did it in cash, it would be extremely difficult, to prove. So some of the me heard charges, and I'm like, we are going to have a problem with investigations here. If you are no, there are trails to his account. Say all this car, if he, the people he's representing, yes, a better account mo. Okay, I said me the if you are 40,000, but me are ben the way. Then they do what dance CSS can better account no. So 40,000 me the ama ben. Say I know na Ghanaian investigations would have to establish before they can be able to prosecute those people. About you say how ni ejina. Now something's happening in Ghana right now. Yes, you have your power. A lot of cases that have happened, especially this year, a be a dream about our legal systems a lot. Precisely in a time of case. Be honest, our boss is here. Obviously, my bro 500,000 or bag. Sana bank or G loan and investment or Kuchiaka Sanitiaka. Exactly the point. Then they didn't want dance here. I also cracked out with all the copy nearby. One for original Amma. In any open court, it falls short of the evidence to prove beyond reasonable doubt. In the sea, I'm 100,000 go to your MPs. But 100,000 and 1 million comma a minister in charge of the sector. She cannot have a bank account to move. Why is the exit? That will tie the minister down. Say, if our account to a minister, no one, Nasa Michiana. Now, when you say the dear dance, say, 1 million a day. Amano. So now I heard Raketi Hamon saying that his client has directed him to say that there is no evidence to the effect or Jiska. On cars on Jiska. There is
no evidence.
With your camera. Because it's going to be a criminal matter.
There's no evidence.
You must establish beyond reasonable doubt. I had the here. In the back, no, according to the share America.
And also, only the end there is established.
Yeah, because all the money is wired straight
on his account.
Sure. But where is the exit from his account to the people he claims he gave the money to? Time who? How many times hasn't Sammy addressed issues at Gold Board from their transformation, PMMC to now Gold Board? What the black once someone can president can finance minister can governor. Obia can once musa. Inti abra say ni apanyo die. I don't want that pass on person mo ye say Sammy din. Isa na me hu no. Because all the interviews me bad meet you. Sammy himself now he granted a very lengthy interview.
Yeah.
Obia tie ni bi. Nti sem na abna say ni apanyo kan ye hu bebia nsem ni fia enye hu bebia ye de kɔ akɔkɔgina eni nyina so bia. Now he's trying to tell us that they do not hate him. They hate him, that's why they are doing that. If you have any contrary look, Gold Board is audited.
Sure.
They go through auditing internally and then externally. If you have any issues of malfeasance and misappropriation and AEB, they usually tell you that look, they don't make the kind of losses that the other parastatals would naturally make. They are into trading of gold. A boy on the bench, a boy market also. And then they also do not want to shortchange those they are buying from in the country. So it is a whole cycle that must be properly managed. Sometimes it may go your way, cry. There are 1,000 profit be. A channel so be 100 Ghana profit be. At the back be a tiaba from Mokakra. You may even have to struggle to break even. So understanding of the portfolio itself, a jumo muye. Na me ehona mpeza me twen Ghana fo ina adwen akwakogina se bio o man na yetitre so bi yade na se bo manyi a o se bo na ba so me ni na abun so yadwe pa me ni yadwen before Gold Board, what was happening? PMC wo ho me boa. What was the state of the CD to the dollar ratio in Ghana? So am pass ni nim se kwan bi wo ho a ya ye gold ye betimi ato akoton a e benya mfa so a ebe boa ma yesika na eden enya ho den bi so ampa na obi nim say bibisa wo ho mfi otwe a atwemu yi. It took Sammy less than 1 year no share Gold Board and then we are beginning to reap the full benefits of Gold Board Juma Moye. But of course it's a human institution. After the first year when a report came from this Britain Wood for year and so who say Gold Board in tea, of course, naturally, they will also have ways to react. We know these things. Abuji, we are yache. And young Kalawa, man, we say, Yamma, and fire some to and say, remember, patrols and my peanuts, Biomintino. Naturally, they would, put some resistance towards the whole thing and try to create a picture that, something untoward is happening. Well, they should bring out the reports. Yankee County reading. Wait, let's sit down. The CEO of Gold Board has come out with every detailed report. Menka was just even giving us the fact that if you go to their website, all those figures are clearly stated there. Now it will be you, Apenyo and Abna, your words against Sammy's word. If you have any contrary information, I try to say, you dear, here as Sammy, any Gold Board for Ekano. No cry, Of course, bring it. One a press conference before. If you have contrary fact, we'll put them out and give Gold Board the opportunity to challenge it. They have come up with their report. Now they are trying to eat humble pie. Baby, I don't know any mom. Seriously. Yes. Very seriously, any mom. Because they are getting embarrassed. Once the figures are coming out, once she share Gold Board, and now she share Gold Board said, everything is bare. Oh, your information, you can go through an RTI, any means possible. You can even say your friend because it's here. They are ready to give out information. Go to their website. Every information you need is over there. Look, I'm thinking the MPP is doing some very, very lazy, PR work. On communication here, from strategy Benjamin
Asariti, I know.
When they send us on Yadaji, or no organizer, you know, only time one kasa. The approach for their communication right now is very, very lazy. You know why?
Only time for what?
Oh, we have studio. Why late? SOMPA. Obi ana odi kan be sha ase. And why late? Ono na dwin na o ti aso na dwin 2028 o. O organizer o. Onya communication officer. Or your organizer. I'm not about election. Me have been with partisan politics for a very long time. When it comes to elections, organizer is a papa. Into not to hey now someone you know sir. And to back for second. I feel no points. I feel no point. Over studio, I feel no points out the and then into no hot. So the approach right now is that look, let's try to throw anything. If it sticks, fine. And this answer they will come and retract and then we move on.
All right.
Okay. I medicine. I made reference to the Sammy those times. I said Sammy no heading pa.
Yeah.
Sammy used to do their papers. He makes sure that he goes in, digs in deep, gets his facts. Then I said, the best studio honoma said they all can now or boa and then the source with the facts and so heading. So boa. But MPP don't want to do it like that. We are not going to allow them to just say anything and get away with it. Can't send be our move in a SOMPA. Nient now, Yen Heinz, almost sorry, and could be yen side in your chim, yen yibu. Yen yip you would die. Until maybe an album's yajin pa. Ben, what bets na her knee. Half an offer poi. Unina so find Chanka crave.